Hey everyone, ever wondered how a metal detector, that cool gadget you see treasure hunters swinging around on beaches, actually works? Well, let's dive into the fascinating science behind metal detectors and decode the mystery. First off, the heart of a metal detector is its ability to create an electromagnetic field. When I swing the detector over the ground, it sends this field deep into the soil. Now here's where the magic happens. Any metal objects buried there, let's say an old coin or a piece of jewelry, become energized by this field. They start retransmitting an electromagnetic field of their own. But how do we know there's something down there? That's where the detector's search coil comes in. This coil picks up the fields retransmitted by those hidden objects and sends a signal back to the detector. That beep you hear? That's the detector telling you, hey, there's something worth checking out here. Now, not all metal is treasure, right? We've all dug up a soda can or some old nails at some point. This is where modern technology really steps up. Advanced detectors like those from Ming Lab use something called multi-IQ technology. This isn't just any tech, it's a game changer. Multi-IQ allows the detector to operate at multiple frequencies simultaneously. This means it can differentiate between a gold ring and a bottle cap, even in tricky conditions like wet beach sand or highly mineralized soil. In simple terms, it maximizes the chance of finding treasure while minimizing annoying junk. Imagine detecting more accurately and deeply, no matter if the soil is mild or packed with minerals. So, the next time you're out with your metal detector sweeping over the earth, remember, you're wielding a powerful tool that combines physics, engineering, and a bit of luck to hopefully lead you to hidden treasures. It's not just beeps and signals, it's science at its most exciting. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, keep searching, keep discovering, and who knows, maybe you'll unearth something incredible. Happy hunting.